What's going on, guys? I'm back again with another video. Not a super travel vlog this time. We're actually going to Delaware to the Christiana Mall. This is my first time going out there. We're going to go pick up my brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Stay tuned. Somebody tried to ruin my Christmas and they broke into my car and stole my last MacBook, so I had to order myself a new one for Christmas. Alright guys, stay tuned. So, we made it. I just got here to the mall. About to check it out, man. I really came here to go to one store, but if you guys know any stores or anything, comment below. If you've been here before, let me know what's your favorite store and what I should check out. And yeah. Here it is, y'all. We made it. Let's grab this pickup. Check out that video wall, man. And I'm out. Back to Philly. Alright, y'all, so I'm back from Christiana Mall, and I'm here. I guess I'm gonna do a quick unboxing.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want go on? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the quick. Boy wanna throw 10 buck, quick. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out of that chain gang. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the quick. Boy wanna throw 10
like I'm rapping
quick.
plastic.
Whole man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out of that chain gang.
Let me show you the inside of the box first real quick. So I'm sure everybody's done unboxing, you know, those little paperwork. Have a new charging brick for faster charging. It has a bigger battery, so 96 watt USB-C, USB-C cable. That's pretty much all you get.
Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the quick. Boy wanna throw 10 buck, quick. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out of that chain gang. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the quick. Boy wanna throw 10 buck, quick. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam.